In this lecture, we are going to study how to draw a frequency polygon. Here is the example which is contains wage in rupees and number of workers. For calculating the frequency polygon, we need the classes and the frequencies. In classes, we need midpoint of that class. The class are given is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90. The number of workers, that is frequencies, are 2, 4, 11, 15, 25, 18, 15, 4 and 2. Here is the observation table. The table contains the class which is given, the frequencies, the addition of frequency, that is capital N, is equal to 96. We have to calculate midpoint of our class. First class is 0 to 10. The formula for midpoint is upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. 10 plus 0 or 0 plus 10 divided by 2, which is 5. Midpoint of first class is 5. Midpoint of second class, that is 10 plus 20 divided by 2, 30 divided by 2, which is 15. Next, 20 plus 30 divided by 2, which is 25. 30 plus 40 divided by 2, which is 35. 40 plus 50 divided by 2, which is 45. 50 plus 60 divided by 2, which is 55. Next, 60 plus 70 divided by 2, which is 65. 70 plus 80 divided by 2, which is 75. And last, 80 plus 90 divided by 2, which is 85. Midpoint is the value of the class which is belonging to the class. We did not need the summation of midpoint. For calculating frequency polygon, we need x-axis and y-axis. On x-axis, we take class, that is midpoint of class, and on y-axis we take the given frequency, which is the number of workers. The class starting from 0 to 10, we mark here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Here we also mark the midpoint of that class, that is here 5, here 15, here 25, 35 and so on, last up to 85. On y-axis we take the scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 2 unit, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24 and 26, because the last value of frequency is 25. We have to mark midpoint versus frequency coordinate. Midpoint versus frequency coordinate. First midpoint is 5, corresponding frequency is 2. 5 and 2. 5 is here, 5 and 2 here is the first point. Second, 15, corresponding frequency 4. 15 is here, 15 with corresponding frequency 4. 25 with 11, 25 is here with 11. 11 is here. Next 35 with frequency 15 is here. Next 45 with 25 is here with frequency 25 is middle of 24 and 26. Next is midpoint is 55 with corresponding frequency 18. 55 is here, corresponding frequency 18. 18 is here we mark. Next is 65 with frequency 15. Next is 75 with frequency 4. 75 with frequency 4. And last is 85 with frequency 2. Here we complete all the points, midpoint with corresponding frequency. Let us join the consequent points. First, second, third with straight line. Join all these consequent point with a straight line. We joined all these points, but for close the polygon we need the two classes, which is first class before the first class, that is first class is 0 to 10. Before 0 to 10 we need a class that is minus 10 to 0. The midpoint of minus 10 to 0 is minus 5, we mark here, and we need another class which is after last class. Last class is 80 to 90. The next class will be 90 to 100. The midpoint will be 95 here, and join these 2 points with a straight line. This point to the first point and this last point to the next point. Here we get the closed polygon. The name is frequency polygon. The scale we have taken on x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 unit, on y-axis is equal to 2 units. Here we complete the frequency polygon. Thank you.